Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok Covent Garden. It's Wok Wednesdays once again, and today's video is actually a suggestion from one of our subscribers, John Pateas. So thanks John, we're doing Singapore fried noodles as per your suggestion. Right, first things first, the noodles. And most people get noodles wrong. And it's not your fault, it's all down to bad explanations on packs. Dry noodles, all they need is soaking in hot water. I've got rice vermicelli here. So you're gonna soak it for a very small amount of time, 2 to 3 minutes is all you really need. And the thicker the noodles, the longer you soak them. Really, if you go from vermicelli all the way through to, say, hor fun, quite thick rice noodles, you're probably anywhere between 3 to 8 minutes. So once your noodles have lost its packet shape and you can sort of sift through, then the next step of drying your noodles is key to getting your noodles right. You want to strain your noodles, and then you're going to dry them on a clean tea towel. What this does is really brings out any excess moisture. So when it hits the pan or the wok later on, it won't all stick together. It takes about 10 minutes. So whilst your noodles are drying, you've got plenty of time to set up your spice mix and your sauce and chop up your vegetables. So the spice mix is very, very simple. We've got some Madras curry powder or some sort of medium spice curry powder. It's got turmeric in there, cumin as a base, and that turmeric, the colour really changes that to make it an authentic Singapore fried noodle. Some chili powder, up to you how much you want to put in there. Some extra chili, bird eye chilies for an extra bit of punch if you wish. Water to make up the paste, and some salt, light soy sauce, a dash of dark soy sauce, and some sesame oil. I'm going to make up your sauce. A good teaspoon of curry powder. I go for about half a teaspoon of chili powder. Maybe throw your chili in there as well. Why not? Now some water just to make up a quick paste with those spices. About a tablespoon. And if you're cooking this classically, you probably put the spice in first in the wok, mix it around, and then start dipping into your sauces. But I don't mind putting the sauces straight into this paste actually. Light soy sauce. About a tablespoon. And a dash of dark soy sauce, just to accentuate that turmeric sort of yellow curry powder colour. And a little drizzle of sesame oil. It looks quite dark at the moment. When it spreads through the noodles, you'll get that nice sort of orangey yellow colour. Pinch of salt. And my sauce is ready. Right, so we're cooking noodles. Really, you can put whatever veg or meat you want into your noodles. But we've got a medley of veg and some prawns. Slice your onion. Slice your red pepper. And some spring onion to garnish. So once everything's prepped and ready, it's time to set up your wok clock. Now we created the wok clock at School of Wok as a Chinese sort of mise en place. It's very easy. You start at 12 o'clock with your first ingredient, in this case, your egg. And you go all the way around. So your recipe's on a plate in front of you, you can concentrate on your cooking. So, onto the wok, let's get wokking. A little bit of oil. You're gonna make sure that oil's smoking hot. You're gonna start at 12 o'clock with your egg. I like to cook my egg like a fried egg first, and then when it's roughly cooked, crack your yolk. Get a nice ripple of egg white and egg yolk. More for colour than anything. Just push that egg to the back. A small addition of oil for your next ingredient, your onion. At this point, bring your egg over the top of your onion so it doesn't burn. Continue stirring and folding. Now with noodles, one of the quick cooling techniques with the wok is what I like to call the tummy and the head. You might have seen that in a few of my other videos. Do you remember the other three? There's 4 ways to cool your wok down. Look at your wok clock, your pepper. Fold that through. Doesn't take long at all. Push that to the back. You can see how clean my wok is here on the base. That's all about understanding that height of fire. Make sure your oil is really hot before anything hits the wok. Prawns. Sear them, bring the stuff over the top. Prawns are just starting to go a little bit more opaque and pinkish in colour. Again, push to the back, a little drizzle of oil in your bean sprouts. Smoking hot, straight in. Last time, pushing everything to the back. One last drizzle of oil for your noodles, smoking hot. Your noodles go straight in. Bring your veg over the top, and this point, your tummy and the head is really important. Round and round, back and forwards, round and round, back and forwards. I'm going to get my sauce in pretty much straight away. In. Whoa, that is looking great. And now, tummy in the head, tummy in the head, tummy in the head. Smells delicious. Now I can feel my noodles softening up with that extra little bit of liquid from the sauce. But they still hold their shape. Right. The colour has spread all the way through from that tummy and the head action through the noodles. My Singapore fried noodles are ready to serve. You can see separate strands of noodle. It's always nice to leave some of the stuff, like the prawns, put over the top. So you know if you've cooked it well. Even with a sauce and something sticky like this, you've got a clean wok at the end of your cooking. That's serious wok hate. My favourite part of every video. Time to test it. Good amount of spice, not too much of a kick. But the saltiness and the savoury flavour really stands out. Best bit about it, the noodles are dry enough so they're nice and separate. That's a true Singapore noodle. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. So just like John, if you do have any suggestions on what you want me to cook next, let us know. And don't forget, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And like the video.